Hello everybody, welcome back. It's Mr. Greenhands and I'm here today, and tonight it's actually quite chilly in the UK right now. The sun was here in the morning, but now we're starting to get some chill coming through at night. But I'm going to do my first of a few harvest of potatoes. These potatoes, I left them in more than I should have, because I should have harvested them already, but these potatoes were given to me by a friend at the allotment and I brought them home. I planted some myself in other locations in the allotment and the garden as well at home, and I left it a little bit late because you can see here, because some of them are starting to look like they want to come back, and as you can see, the potatoes literally are ready to go. I'm going to try to turn this out on this black bag I have here and to see what I have accomplished this year. Straight away putting up a few of them. I can see straight away I've got a few lovely spuds. These are looking amazing so far, and I'm hoping it can continue all the way down at the bottom of these. I'm going to turn this pot over and see what else is lurking in this amazing compost that I created. Oh, another one, that's lovely. Let's place them on the side here. Wow, that's not bad. And I only planted 3 potato seeds, and so far I've got 2, 4, 6 and 8, so I've already doubled up, way more than I normally had, or what I planted. So that is a better result than ever. Let's pop this one out. Let's see. Wow, there you go. Amazing. And that's the potato seed right there. That's the potato seed. I don't need that. This is what germinated and created all these extra amazing stuff here. See, when I turn this out, let's see, let's do that now. What else can I find? And this is quite a big flower pot that I used. You can see some nice worms there, some red worms. That's beautiful. And let's see what else is lurking in this compost. That's the other seed. I could just leave that there. There's one little more tiny one here. And I think that's it. I can't see any more potato growing, and I don't know what, because I forgot the name of it, because I literally just planted them out the bag and I completely forgot to literally check the name of these type of potatoes, but they're looking quite good. I'm going to show you guys in a sec what is the outcome of this. Let me just get rid of this soil back into that flower pot, and now I'm going to be saving this soil and adding some more to it and plant something else in there that I can eat and grow within the autumn period. So pretty much nothing will go to waste. This will go back on top of the soil and become a mulch as it is, and decompose into the soil and add natural nourishment and nitrogen to the soil again, so it becomes quite fertile for next year. So that's looking absolutely amazing. Okay, let me just remove these to the side here. And it seems like the weather is telling me it's going to rain. I can feel a few drops on top of my head already, so I might have to quickly do this, or should I say as quick as possible, before an absolute downpour. I hope not anyway. Just like this. So let's count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I just made a mistake. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So from three different seeds that I sowed inside of this pot here, I've got 20. Not the biggest, I must say, but they are edible. You can eat this and this will give you a delicious meal. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. And if you love what I'm doing, make sure you hit that subscribe button and leave me a comment if you are watching my videos. If you're not watching my videos, it's fine. Just hit a thumbs up as well. While you don't have to comment, but make sure you take care of yourself and the planet, because we have to.